Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about decimal number system. Let us look at the expansion of 47561, which you already know. 47561, that is 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 1. We can express it using powers of 10 in the exponent form. Therefore 47561 can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 1 into 10 to the power 0. Right? Let us explain another number 104278, that is 1 into 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 8 into 10 to the power 0. Right? Notice how the exponents of 10 starts from a maximum value of 5 and go on decreasing by 1 at a step from the left to the right up to 0. Expressing large numbers in the standard form. Let us now go back to the beginning of the chapter. We said that large numbers can be conveniently expressed using exponents. We have not as yet shown this. We shall do so now. Sun is located at this meter from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Number of stars in our galaxy is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Mass of the Earth is 5, 976, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 kg. These numbers are not convenient to write and read. To make it convenient, we use powers. Observe the following. 59 can be 5.9 into 10 or 5.9 into 10 to the power 1. 5.9 into 100, 5.9 into 10 to the power 2, 5.9 into 10 to the power 3, 5.9 into 10 to the 4, and so on. We expressed all these numbers in the standard, but this is known as the standard form. A number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1 and 10, including 1 multiplied by a power of 10. Such a form of number is called its standard form. Thus, 5985 can be written as 5.985 into 1000, that is 5.985 into 10 to the 3 is the standard form of 5985. Note, 5985 can also be expressed as 59.85 into 100, 59.85 into 10 to the 2, but these are not the standard forms of 5985. Similarly, 5.985 is equal to 0.5985 into 10,000 or is equal to 0.5985 into 10 to the 4 is also not the standard form of 5985. We are now ready to express the large numbers we came across at the beginning of the chapter in this form. The distance of Sun from the center of our galaxy is this one. Can be written as 3.0 into 10 to the power 20 meter. Now we can express 40. This is the similar way, and can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 10. Mass of Earth, this one, right? It can be written as 5.976 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Do you agree with the fact that the number when written in the standard form is much easier to read, understand, and compare when the number is written with 25 digits? Now mass of Uranus like this, 8.68 into 10 to the power 25 kg. Simply by comparing the powers of 10 in the above two, you can tell that the mass of Uranus is greater than that of the Earth. The distance between Sun and Saturn is this meter or 1.435 into 10 to the 12 meter. The distance between Saturn and Uranus is 1.439 into 10 to the 12 meter. The distance between Sun and Earth is 1.496 10 to 11 meter. Notate which of these three distances is smallest. By comparing the exponent, you can find which one is the smallest or which one is greatest. Now let us express the following numbers in the standard form. This one, 5985.3 in 85.3. It can be written as 5.9583 into 10 to the power 3. Or this one, 6.595 into 10 to the power 4. This one is 3.43 into 10 to the power 6. This can be written as 7.004 into 10 to the power 10. Right? A point to remember is that one less than the digit count, number of digits to the left of the decimal point in a given number is the exponent of 10 in the standard form. Thus in this, there is no decimal point shown. We assume it to be at the right end. From there, the count of the places digits to the left is 11. The exponent of 10 in the standard form is 11 minus 1, it is 10. In 5985.3, there are 4 digits to the left of the decimal Fine. Hence the exponent of 10 in the standard form is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Right? Let us find. Now we will solve the different exercises. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.